fixing/correcting a leaking connection. So for our first step, we're going to start by clearing space so we can easily maneuver the pipe through the tight space. After that, we proceeded to cut the long unnecessary pipe with the connection that was faulty. Now we're filing down the rough edges for the new fitting to slide on smoothly. Here we are clearing more spaces to be able to work freely on sword. And then now we're making measurements for the pipe, the one real another. And of course, our level thread tape. Finishing touches and more, and then voila.